I did not like stuffing until I had this stuffing recipe. It is the best turkey stuffing recipe. 6 cups of dry breadcrumbs or cubes, 3 cups of brown turkey meat. After you roast your turkey, I like to pull the meat off and just use the brown meat, or you can use sausage. 2 cups of chopped celery, 2 cups of diced onions, 2.5 cups of turkey broth or pan drippings from cooking your turkey, 1/2 cup butter, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a teaspoon of rubbed sage, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You just saute your vegetables, combine all your ingredients, pour in your meat, pour in your seasonings and your melted butter, and then give that a nice stir and put it into a buttered 9x13 baking dish. This will feed a lot of people at Thanksgiving. It's a great side dish. Everybody loves it. You're pouring in your butter and your broth and then giving it a stir to moisten all your breadcrumbs. And then you just go ahead and pour that into your prepared baking dish. I like to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven. It takes about 30 minutes, and then remove your aluminum foil, bake till it's golden brown, and serve it nice and warm with your turkey dinner. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I will have it linked in the description box below for you to print off. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.